Hello students, today we are going to study IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes, okay, its branch chain, its complex chain and nomenclature of alkenes and alkynes, okay. So let us first study about the rules and then we are going to, with the help of the rules, I will be explaining you how to write the names, okay. So here, first rule it is saying that longest chain should be taken, okay. And the second rule it is saying the lowest number rule should be there. So what do we understand by that? Okay, longest chain, okay. Suppose we have taken this compound, okay. So here, how we will be naming it? Which is the longest carbon chain, okay. This we have to decide first, okay. So if we are counting from here, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay. If you are counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is smaller than 6, isn't it? If you are counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, this is also small. So naturally we will be taking this one as the longest carbon chain, okay. So here naturally this we are taking as this is the longest carbon chain. So here we are seeing that at third position methyl group is attached. So how we will be naming it? We will be not naming it from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also it is 6. We can go through this side also. We can go from this side also. But we have to make sure that from where the branching is coming first. If we are counting from here, it will come in the fourth position. Okay. But when we are counting from this side, it comes in the third position. So we have to make sure that yes, the branching is at the from where the branching is coming first, from this side or this side, okay. And here in this example we are seeing that it is coming from this side, so it becomes 1, 2 and 3, so it becomes 3 methyl hexane. This is an alkane. Naturally 6, hex for 6, ane is for alkane, so prefix becomes hex and suffix becomes ane, and so it becomes 3 methyl hexane. So the next rule is the lowest set of locus rule, okay. So what is this saying, the lowest set of locus rule? This locus, it means that the number of branching is more than one, okay, and yes, it is existing in the same place. Here also we want to count, suppose the longest chain taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. From here also you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, same it is coming from everywhere. Now how we are going to just name and how we are going to put up the branches, okay. So here we have to see from where the branching is coming first, which is nearest to the parent chain, okay. So if we are counting from this side, okay, it will be coming 2 over here, okay. If we are counting from this side, here also 2 is coming. So what we have to take, this one or this one first? So we have to consider this one first and then this one, because here you can see the number of branchings are more rather than here. So this we can consider if everything is same. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So second position we are having 2 methyl groups. So you will be writing what? 2, okay, comma 2, okay. And fourth position again we are seeing methyl. So comma 4 trimethyl. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 5 it is, then it becomes what? The prefix will become pent. Okay, alkane it is there, so what it will become? Pentane. So the name of these compounds become 2, 2, 4 trimethyl pentane. Okay, now let us take the next example. Okay, here also you will be taking what? The longest chain. Okay, so when you are taking the longest chain, okay, so here if you are taking the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, from here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. So here if we are counting upwards also it comes 7. If we are counting from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Okay, so the best one is the taking the longest chain is the straight chain. Okay, so here you will be writing. Now here you have to see one thing more. From where is the branching starting? From here, if we count it, it becomes 1, 2 and 3. Okay, from where here we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which we should take? This side or this side? Okay, so here this again lowest set of locus rule is counting over here. Here we are seeing the branching in the third position, but here we are seeing the branching in the second position only. So instead of taking from here, we will be counting it from here. Got it now? So this is the lowest set of locus rule. Okay, so here it will become what? At second position methyl is there, fifth position methyl is there, and sixth position, okay, methyl is there. So what happens? How will you write? It will become 2, 5, 6, 6. Okay, because here it is how many? 4. Tetra methyl, and what it is? 8. So it will become what? Octane. So this here you have to give the importance. Okay, here we have seen in the second position from this side also second position, but we had priority given to this one. Here 2 branching is there, and we have written what? 2, 2, 4 trimethyl pentane. Here also we are seeing yes, 2 branching is there. If we count from here 1, 2, 3, third position, and from when we are counting from here, second position only methyl is coming. So ignoring that, we will be taking this one because this is the nearest one. Okay, and then we will be writing the name, and thus the name became what? 2, 5, 6, 6 tetramethyl octane, and this is the lowest set of locus rule. Okay. Now the next rule is numbering of different alkyl groups at equivalent position. Okay, so here I have taken an example to explain this, how we are going to number, okay, these different alkyl groups, that is ethyl and this is methyl. And yes, if we are counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here naturally you are getting 6. Okay, from wherever you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, small only. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 is coming. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yes, if you break it also, it will become 6 only. So we are going to take this as the major parent chain. Okay, so when we have taken this major chain, shall we write in this manner or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Okay, the question arises that. So here, how we are going to write this? If we are counting from this side, ethyl comes in the third position. When we are counting from this side, methyl comes in the third position. So both are at the same position only. So which we have to consider, this one or this one? The question is that. So we are going to consider the first one only. Why? Because this is ethyl and this is methyl. Here priority will be given to ethyl. Okay, so it becomes what? 3 ethyl, okay, 4 methyl, and here it is 6. So what will be the prefix? It will be hex, and what will be the suffix? Ane, that is the alkane. So 3 ethyl, 4 methyl hexane. Okay, this you have to remember that yes, if ethyl and methyl both are present in the same position, you have to count ethyl first and then only methyl. Okay, so this is how we are going to numbering of different alkyl groups at equivalent position can be done. Okay, now the next rule, naming the side chains in alphabetical order. Okay, now let us understand this, how we have to do. Okay, first we are taking the longest chain. Okay, so longest chain, when you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is coming. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, if we split it also it comes 5 only. Okay, now here also it will come 5 only, and here if we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we will be taking this as the longest chain. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have taken this. Okay. So now the question arises, we can also do it in this way. Okay. Isn't it? So which is correct? This one or this one? Let us see. See here, when we are counting from this side, ethyl is coming at the 3rd position and methyl at 4th position. When we are counting from this side, okay, methyl comes in the 2nd position and ethyl comes in the 3rd position. Okay, so here the counting will be proper, that is 1, 2, because this is the nearest to the parent chain, okay, this side chain. So we will be counting in this manner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where 2nd position methyl is there and 3rd position ethyl is there. But we will not be writing 2 methyl, okay, we are writing 2 methyl, 3 ethyl, this is pentane, okay, this will be wrong. Okay, we have to take the alphabetical order to write the name. Okay, so when we are taking the alphabetical order, naturally ethyl and methyl, E comes before M. So it will be what? 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, pentane. This is right. Okay, so while naming the side chains, we have to write it in the alphabetical order. Okay, now let us do the numbering of the complex substituents or the branch. Okay, so here I have taken an example. Let us try to solve this. Okay, take out the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, so here if we are counting this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's all right. Now let us see from other sides also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically the parent chain becomes this. Okay, if you are counting from the opposite side also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically it is coming at 4th position only branching. Okay, so here it's okay, well and fine, but the branching is at 4th position, but this branching also consists of sub-branching. So now we are going to write those in the parenthesis or in the bracket. Okay, so here you see, here we will be naming it 1 and 2. For this one it becomes what? This becomes the main chain and this becomes the sub chain. So here how we will be writing here 4th position branching is there. So first you will be writing 4. Okay, then you are seeing what? Sub branching. It should be written in parenthesis or in bracket. Okay, so here at 1 position, okay, you can see 2 methyl. Okay, so separately you will be writing 1 comma 1. Okay, dimethyl. And what is this? This is 1 and 2, so it becomes what? Ethyl. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, and then it becomes what? We have written the branching also, okay, the sub branching also, okay, what it is, and then you have to write the parent name. It is what? 7 it is, so it becomes heptane. So it becomes 4 in the parenthesis or in the bracket, 1 comma 1 dimethyl ethyl heptane. Okay. Now let us see another example of a complex chain. Okay, so when we are counting, okay, we have to take the longest chain first, so we will be counting. Okay, so we can count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we can also count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if we are counting from here, it will be coming less only. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only. From here also you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. From here if you are counting, the same will come because here ethyl will go in branching. Okay, so we will be basically taking which one then? The first one, isn't it? Because from here we are seeing that the branching is coming first. Because if we are taking from this side, it is coming in the 6th position and 8th position. When we are taking from this side, it is coming in the 3rd position and fifth position. So this upper one is the right one for the nomenclature, isn't it? By following the rules. So here now we are seeing this, it is coming 10, so it is decade, you all know. Here in the fifth position there is branching, okay, and sub-branching also. So this makes it a complex chain. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are first going to name this branching and the sub-branching one. Okay, so here it is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, here CH3 went in branching, CH3 went in branching. Okay, so how can we write the name of this complex chain? Okay, so for first the name of the complex chain which is making the chain complex is to be written. Okay, so it is in the fifth position, so we will be writing fifth position over here. Yes, this chain which is branching and sub-branching, okay, in the parenthesis, in the bracket, it becomes, so it becomes 1, comma 2, dimethyl. Here 3 carbon is there, so it becomes propyl. Okay, and yes, now we have named this, we will be closing the bracket. And third position it is ethyl, 3 ethyl. Okay, and it is 10, so it becomes what? Dec, and alkane it is, so decane. So this is how we name this complex chain. Here we have to name the what? The branching, okay, which is making the chain complex first, and then only we will be writing the others. Now next example, okay. So here again we have to take first what? The longest rule, okay, and the longest chain, okay. So come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay. From here if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. It is less, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is also less, okay. So here if we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again less, okay. Here also it will become less only, 1 carbon more less, okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to take basically this, yes. One more thing is that we can count from here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which is right? From that side or from this side? Okay, here you have to decide. Okay, here you are seeing the branching in the fifth position and branching in the sixth position, isn't it? So which you will be taking? Okay, this branch or this branch? Okay, the first one actually is taken in which the branching again from the branch is coming first. For example, here if you are doing, what happens? 1, 2 and 3. Branching is in the first position. If we are seeing from here 1, 2 and 3, branching is in the second position. So which we have to take? We have to take in which the branching is the nearest one. So this we will be taking first and then this. So when we are numbering the parent chain, we will be taking this order. Okay, the above one. So now how we will be writing it? Okay, here in the first position, fifth carbon chain branching is starting. Okay, so 5. Okay, first position 1, methyl propyl. Okay, close it. And then sixth position again, you are seeing the branching and the sub branching. Okay, 6, 2-methyl propyl, close. Okay, and what is this? 10, so it is dec a alkane. So the name becomes 5 in the parenthesis, in the bracket, 1-methyl propyl, 6, 2-methyl propyl decane. Okay, here you have to remember one thing, that yes, in the branching also where the sub branching is coming first, if they are in the same position. Okay, so now let us do this example. Okay, here we will be seeing the rule, what it is, that yes, if the parent chain is consisting of the same number of carbon atoms. Okay, so which one should be taken? The one which should be taken is which is consisting of number of side chains more in number. Okay, the side chains will be more in number in that. Okay, so let us see this example first. Okay, so if we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it is coming 10. It's all right. Okay, if you are doing from this side also it will come 10. NES branching is here. It's the simple one was that. But here the chain is complex. Okay, so count another also from here what it is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 10. So which we should take? This one, or this one. Okay, so the rule for the complex chain, it says that we have to take that chain if the carbon atoms are similar or same, then we have to take that chain which consists more number of side chains. Okay, so when we are talking about here, okay, how many side chains are there? Only 1 and 2. Okay, when we are talking from here, okay, how many side chains? Only 1 and 2. If we are talking from here, how many side chains are there? You will be seeing the side chains are 1, 2, okay, and 3. And here sub chains are also there. So here which one we should take? Which is consisting of more number of side chains. So this will be the correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and here you are seeing that this whole chain is the side chain, and here in this there is some branching also. Okay, so now let us do the nomenclature. How you will be doing? 5. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 2 ethyl, butyl, it is 4, butyl, ethyl, butyl. Okay, and then 3, dimethyl. Okay, dimethyl what? 10 it is. So it becomes what? Decane. So we have named this compound. It is 5 in the bracket 2-ethyl, butyl, 3, third position 2-methyl is present. So 3, 3, 3, dimethyl, 10 it is. So it becomes what? Decane. So this was all about the nomenclature of alkanes. Now we are going to see nomenclature of alkynes. This was all about the nomenclature of alkanes. Now we are going to see about the nomenclature of alkene and alkynes. Now we are going to study about the IUPAC nomenclature of alkenes. Okay, so here alkenes we will be using in. Okay, so how we will be writing the names? Okay, if 2 carbon atoms, okay, we will be writing what? Ith, isn't it? Ith, and yes, it is an alkene. Double bond is present over there. So we will be writing what? Ith, in. Okay, now, so first salt. Okay, second one, let us see. 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Okay, from where we will be naming? From where the double bond is there. So 1, 2 and 3. So here it becomes what? 3 carbon atoms. First carbon atom you are having what? A double bond. You can write prop 1 in, or you can write prop in. Okay. Now next one. Here 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. First here it is coming. So I have just started naming from this side. So it becomes what? But. It is 4. But 1 in or butene. Okay. Now next example, let us see. Here we are seeing this double bond is at the center. Okay, so just 1, 2, 3, 4. This side also if we are counting, it is coming same only. Okay, So here it will become what? But 2 ene. Okay. Now here next we are seeing what? Here double bond is present. This is in the branching form. So here it will become what? 1, 2 and 3. So here it will become 2 branching methyl group is there. So 2 methyl, 3 carbon atoms, first position only you are having double bond. So 2 methyl, it will be prop 1 ene or 2 methyl propene. Okay. For 1 it is not that yes you should write only. Yes, you are writing, it's okay. Otherwise you can write in the simple form. Okay. So now let us see this example. Example number 6. Okay. We are seeing, we have to see that yes, where is the double bond present? It is present over here. Okay. So here the numbering will be starting, priority is to be given to the double bond. Okay. So here the numbering will be starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now the name becomes what? 2, 4 diethyl 5 methyl, and here it is double bond and 6 is there for carbon atom, so it becomes hexene. This is the name of this compound. 2,4-diethyl. 2, this is second position it is present, fourth position branching is present. So 2,4-diethyl 5-methyl hexane. Okay. This hexene, why? Because of the double bond. Now let us study the IUPAC nomenclature of alkynes. Okay. So here 2 carbon atoms, so eth, isn't it? And here suffix will be what? Ine. So ethyl. Okay. Here we are saying 3 carbon atoms, so prop ine. Okay. Now next, here we are seeing the triple bond is coming at the center. So here first count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also you will be counting. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So basically from this side or that side same is coming. So here what it will be? It will become but 4 it is. So but 2 ine. Okay. But 2 ine. Here what it will become? Here triple bond we are seeing over here. So we will be starting the counting from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it becomes what? 3 ethyl, 4 methyl, and this is 5. So pent 1 ine. Here you can also write 3 ethyl, 4 methyl pentyne. Okay. Now coming to the next example. Here how we will be naming it, from where this triple bond is coming first. We have to see this, not this and not this. So if we are counting from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here if we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from where we have to count it first. Okay. So in this, if we are counting, it is coming in the third position. From here we are counting, it is coming in the fourth position. So this will be taken. Okay. So you will be writing what? So I am rubbing this in order to avoid the confusion. Okay. So here what will you write in this? Here it is at the third position, that will be written at the last. You will be writing 5 ethyl, alphabetical order. Okay. 2 methyl, and yes, it is what? 7. So hept, isn't it? Hept 3 ine. This is triple bond. Hept 3 ine. So it becomes 5 ethyl, 2 methyl, hept 3 ine. Now let us see if both the bonds are present. Double bond also, triple bond also. It means alkene also, alkyne also. How we are going to do this? So first one, let us see this one. Okay. So here we are seeing that yes, in the first position triple bond is coming. So come on, do in this manner. Okay. We have to see which is coming first, the double or the triple, and then we have to start naming the carbon, counting the carbon atoms. So here it becomes what? You are seeing triple bond is coming here, double bond is here, triple bond is in the first position, double bond is in the third position. It is 5. So you will be writing pent. Okay, pent. It is fourth position, 4 in, and you will be writing 1 ion. Okay, pent 4 in 1 ion. Okay. Now let us see the second one. Here we are seeing that yes, double bond is in the first position and triple bond is in the third position. So here we will be not taking this first. We will be taking this one first, which is nearer. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it becomes pent 1 in, and here it is in the third position 3 ion. Okay. Now here, now what to do if both are in the similar place? Here also if we name it, triple bond comes in the first position, here double bond also comes in the first position. So priority is to be given here to the double bond when they are present in the same condition. Okay. So here it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it becomes pent 1 in and 4 ion. Okay. So this must be the criteria when double and triple bond are present. So hope students you might have understood all the nomenclature of the alkanes, alkenes and alkynes, as well as the complex branch structures of the alkanes. Okay. So this is all for today. Good day. Take care.